In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make transparent text in Capcut. By the end, you'll know how to create text that fades to transparent so your visuals show through cleanly and professionally. Start by opening Capcut. You can use the web version in your browser or the mobile app. Both work for this. Give the app a second to load your workspace. If a project is already open, that's fine. We're going to create a fresh one so everything is clear. Create a new project and choose the 9:16 canvas. This vertical format is perfect for TikTok, Reels, and Shorts. If you're editing for another platform, you can pick a different aspect ratio later, but 9:16 is a great starting point for mobile-friendly videos. Once your blank project is ready, head to the text section. This is where we'll add the words that will turn transparent. The text tools are straightforward and let you control the look, timing, and animation. Click Add Heading. Capcut will place a new text layer on your canvas and timeline. You'll see a default text box appear. This is the layer we're going to animate. You can drag it to position and resize it by pulling the corners so it's easy to see. Type your message. It can be a title, a label, or a call-out. Anything you like. At this stage, you can style it so the effect reads well. Pick a bold, readable font, set the size, and choose a color that contrasts with your background, so the change in transparency is noticeable. You can always tweak styling after the animation is set. Now let's make it transparent using keyframes on Opacity. Opacity controls how solid or see-through the text is, and keyframes let you change that over time. With your text layer selected, find the opacity control and add a keyframe. This first keyframe marks the starting opacity. Leave it at 100% so your text begins fully visible. Move the playhead to the point where you want the text to be see-through, then adjust the opacity down to create the transparency. Lowering it to 0% makes the text fully transparent. Choosing something like 20 to 40% gives a ghosted look, while keeping a hint of the letters. Capcut will automatically create the transition between your keyframes, giving you a smooth fade. Press play to preview the result. If the fade feels too fast or too slow, simply slide the second keyframe left or right to adjust the timing. You can also fine-tune the opacity values to match the mood of your video. That's all you need to make transparent text in Capcut. Clean, simple, and effective. Try it with different fonts and durations to find the style that fits your project.